So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video we will be talking about the message Shelly and Fraser Pryce, the queen mother of track and field. Now Shelly and Fraser Pryce, in case you do not know, is one of the greatest and most consistent female athlete we have ever seen on earth. So she has a message for the track and athletic fans all around the world, and I want you to pay a good attention. I repeat, pay a very good attention to this message Shelly and Fraser Pryce has for you tonight. It contains so many things. It is quite cryptic, it is quite parabolic, it is quite scary. So make sure to pay attention and try to understand the words in which she is trying to pass to you people. Okay, so before I continue, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So Shelly and Fraser Pryce posted on her official Instagram and Facebook handles officially. She said, "The reality is the hunter is also the hunted, and sometimes you have to be prepared to lose a few battles in order to win the war." This is actually a very big, scary, and at the same time shocking message. Do you know what this means? In my own understanding, since she said the reality is the hunter is also the hunted, and sometimes you have to be prepared to lose a few battles in order to win the war. What this means is Shelly is getting ready for Paris Olympic. Definitely. And guess what? I feel like she is aiming for the gold medal. This time around, the message is very loud and clear. Definitely, she is going to get that first position in Paris Olympic, and that means she has to defeat Shericka Jackson. Remember this line when she said, "You have to be prepared to lose a few battles." Now, remember last year in Budapest, Shelly and Fraser Pryce loses her world reigning world athletic champion to Shericka Jackson. So this year, she is ready for war. She is ready to win the war, and Paris is definitely that war. Paris definitely, I repeat, has to be the war, because everybody wants to become an Olympic medalist. They don't really care about war athletic that much. So definitely Paris Olympic is the war, is the main war. And what this means is Shelly is ready for the real battle, and I really can't wait to see what she has in preparation for us to the Paris. Paris is going to be exciting. Let me hear your opinions in the comment section. But guess what? The big question is, will the other sprinters and other peers Shelly and Fraser Pryce is going to face in Paris Olympic just sit down and watch her win the race? I'm talking about Shericka Jackson, Shericka Jackson, and Tia Clinton. These three sprinters are some of the top, not even forgetting Julian Alfred from ST Lucian. She is also very good. So these young sprinters will not just watch Shelly winning the race. Now the big question is to you watching this video, do you think Shelly has any opportunity or chance of getting that gold medal in Paris Olympic? If she successfully gets the first position and gold medal in Paris Olympic, it's going to be a history for Shelly. It's going to be a history for Jamaica as a nation, right?